Hey guys, today's video is going to be my January Boxycharm unboxing. I'm going to start doing things a little bit differently for the new year. I usually peek inside the box and apply what is in here to my face as I unbox it, but I don't know, I was just getting kind of bored of that, and I'm kind of starting to get over the first impressions trend. I really enjoyed doing the Sephora VIB sale haul follow-up, giving you my full reviews on products, and I kind of want to take my channel in that direction a little bit more. So what I'm going to be doing is just unboxing this box, and then starting next month I will give you full reviews on the products from the month previous and then unbox that month's box, if that makes sense. So I don't have reviews for you today, so I'm hoping that this video will be a little bit shorter. I will still do swatches and give you as much information as I can. Wow, without further ado, let's get into it. So this is what the box looks like this month. This is an ingredients list for one of the products. The theme this month is Rock 2018. Okay, so the first thing here, this is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil in Universal Taupe. It might work. I don't understand when brow pencils say that they're a universal shade. Everyone's brows are a different color, but I'm thinking taupe might be a little bit light for me, but I might be able to make it work, so I'm not going to knock it before I try it. It has an oval shape, a little bigger than my preference is things like the Brow Wiz, but I also like products like the Brow Definer, which is that bigger triangle tip. The spoolie is very soft, the softest one that I would have in my collection. I am going to swatch this, but this retails for $24. It's definitely a stiff formula. Okay, I might be able to make that work. I layered it up a little bit, and it did get to be about a medium brown type of shade, a little lighter than what I'm used to, but I think I can make it work at least long enough to give it a solid try. Next, I have this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer. This is for all skin types and illuminator. Why can't I speak? For all skin types, illuminating primer base. I don't have a lot of experience with luminizing primers because in the summer, well, really every season except for winter, my skin tends to be pretty oily, so this is a good time of year for me to give this a try. This retails for $38. Dr. Brandt is a very pricey brand. I have two of his other products, the microdermabrasion and the pore dermabrasion, I believe, and I really like both of them, so I'm excited to try more from him. Let me see what this looks like. It has a slight like champagne-y tint to it. It's much lighter than I have tried the Smashbox Radiance Primer. It's a lighter shade than that, so it's good for me. I have such fair skin. Okay, it's just a light luminosity. I have spread it across like this part of my hand. Definitely a little bit of a glow. It feels really soft, so I am excited to use this, and this is the product that the additional information, the ingredients go to. It must just be that this is such a small bottle. Next, I have a Girlactik matte lip paint. I've always wanted to try these. This is in the shade Demure, which is one of the shades I had on my list to pick up. These retail for $23 US. This is like a deep rosy shade. Feels like a very thin liquidy formula. Like I said, I'd never tried these before, so I'm excited to give it a try. This is a beautiful shade. I can't wait to use this. Next, this is the Pure Bronze and Brighten. It has this white packaging. We have received a lot of Pure cosmetics in Boxycharm over the last few months. This retails for $34 US. Let's open it up. Oh, wow. Okay, these are all very shimmery. This gives me more summertime vibes, but I will, again, try it for you guys. These are the shades here, all very shimmery. Even like the blush and the bronzer definitely have a luminosity to them. Very soft powders, almost to a fault. Look at those. Wow. Okay, they almost have like a stick to them. Okay, there's no way I can put that bronzer on my face. It will definitely be used as an eyeshadow. Even that blush, I am scared. Do you see that? Okay, this bronzer is just a full-on metallic bronze shade, like an eyeshadow bronze shade, not like cheek product. I'm not sure how they thought that would work, and look how much product is still on my fingers. The highlight looks beautiful. I think I might be able to make that work. These have a very weird texture. Like, they're almost sticking to my hand. So strange. And then that is the brightest corally peach blush I've ever seen. It looks full metallic on my fingers. I'm not sure, guys. I will try it, but wow. Last thing in the box is this Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. Isn't Crown a brush company, or is it a different Crown? No? crownbrush.com. I have tried a few of their brushes and have liked them. They tend to be pretty affordable. This palette retails for $25. I like how small and compact it is. It does have cool rock and roll packaging, which is the theme this month. And I also feel like this palette is really on trend with the new releases, like the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. The mirror is a guitar. Okay, these are beautiful, metallic, grungy type of shades. The black is matte, and the burgundy shade looks to be a little more satin than the others. But there are the shades there. They are beautiful. I haven't played with a lot of grungier tones like this in a very long time. I'm excited to step out of my comfort zone though. This like bluish steel, the shade Heavy Metal, looks stunning. Let's swatch a few more. Do this orangey bronze shade and the black. You gotta see if the black is good. It's definitely more of like a charcoaly color when you swatch it, even though it does look black in the pan. So there are finger swatches of Heavy Metal, Rebel, and Black Metal. Okay, so the metallic shades, which I feel like is the appeal of this whole palette, swatch beautifully. The matte black sucks. I'm just going to be honest about that right here. The matte black does suck. So there are those swatched there. Again, the black, this orangey bronze type of shade, and then the bluish steel kind of color. I'm super drawn to that shade, which is strange for me, but I don't know. I'm really excited to try these. Let me know, what do you think about this palette? So that is everything that I received in my January Boxycharm box. Sorry, Wyatt is playing in here. This month's box retails for $144 US. I will have the conversion to Canadian dollars in the description box with all that information, like what day I did the conversion with the exchange rate. All that will be down below. I pay about $33 a month for Boxycharm. with the exchange rate and the shipping and all of that. In the US, you pay $21 a month. I am always happy with my box for the dollar value. I mean, of course, every few months you might receive one or two products that you're not super excited with, but overall, I feel like it is really worth it. I'm most excited to try the eyeshadow palette and the liquid lipstick. So these two together, this is $25, this is $23. That makes it well worth it for me, even if I wasn't excited about the other three products. I'm not really sure how these two are going to work out. This might be a little bit too light for me. This might not work great for my skin type, but I'm still excited to give them a try. I might be surprised. This terrifies me. I don't know how this is a cheek palette. Remember these swatches? Like, I don't know how that would look good on anybody. Like, it's not just, oh, maybe they're too deep for my skin tone. Like, they're full on metallic. I'm scared. I'm going to try it, but it's going to be at a time when I don't have to rush out the door to go somewhere's public. That is definitely for sure. I cannot get that Girlactik lipstick off. So hopefully it is long wearing. Please let me know in the comment section below if you like this idea of an unboxing more than how I've done it in the past, where I gave you my first impressions on camera as I unboxed things. If you really prefer that way over this new way I'm trying, then of course I'll go back. I want to make videos that you want to watch, but I do want your opinion. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up so that I know. Subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!